before it actually occurs. Once a potential problem is flagged, the farmer can schedule maintenance for the machinery in question. This way, instead of reacting to a breakdown, the farmer is proactively taking steps to prevent it. This shift from reactive to predictive maintenance is a significant one. It means fewer breakdowns, lower costs for repairs, and less stress for the farmer. And it's not just the farmer who benefits. A smoothly running farm means a steady supply of produce for the market, benefiting the local economy as well. In essence, AI and predictive maintenance have transformed this farm's operations. The machines are no longer just tools. They have become smart assistants that help the farmer manage the farm more efficiently. This farm story shows us that AI and predictive maintenance can be a game changer for farming operations. Now let's summarize the key points about these technologies. So what makes AI and predictive maintenance such a powerful tool for farmers? Let's break it down. Firstly, these technologies help prevent downtime. By catching issues before they become major problems, farmers can keep their equipment running smoothly, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Secondly, they can significantly cut costs. With predictive maintenance, farmers can schedule repairs during off-peak times, saving on emergency repair costs and avoiding expensive equipment replacements. Thirdly, AI and predictive maintenance ease the farmer's workload. Instead of scrambling to fix sudden breakdowns, farmers can focus on what they do best, growing and harvesting crops. But perhaps the most exciting part is that these technologies can be adapted to any farming context. Whether it's a small family farm or a large industrial operation, AI and predictive maintenance have the potential to revolutionize the way we farm. With AI and predictive maintenance, farmers can work smarter, not harder. They can predict and prevent downtime, saving time, money, and crops. Now that's a future worth sowing